How's it going? So if you have clicked on this video, it's likely that you have a clog with your Centauri carbon and you're looking for a video to give you some insight on how to fix it. So in this video, I'll go ahead and show you how to do that real quick. First off, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure that you have light. So come down your panel, turn your light on. Next, you're going to want to move the bed down so that you have room to work on it. And we will go ahead and set 30 millimeters so it moves the quickest and start dropping our Z down until we have, relative amount of room to see what's going on. So that's good about there. And now you actually have to turn it off, because otherwise what we're going to be doing is moving the head. But since the machine, the stepper motors are on, you can't move it. So now turn the machine off. And now you can move the head. And after that, you're going to want to come down here and press this retaining clip right here so that we can pull the PTFE tube. So I'm going to do that real quick. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I was able to pull the PTF tube up so that we have filament exposed like so. Now we actually have to turn it back on again. So come around, turn the machine back on, and this will take a second to boot, so I will be courteous and pause the video for a second. All right, so we're all booted back up again, and of course our light turned off, so we're going to turn it back on. We got light, check. Now we're going to come over here. We're going to go to this button right here. We got our nozzle temperature settings, so we're going to click that, and so now we're going to look at our filament and see what we're running here. It looks like, since this PTFE, I've got to go 230. So I'm going to type in 230, 230, hit OK. Boom. Now the temperature is at 55, 58, 60, 62. It's going up. It's going to go to 230. So here it goes. It's climbing, 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 and I'm going to pause it. And here we go. We are at 230. Boom. So now the nozzle is hot, so don't want to touch it. But we're going to take needle nose pliers, and we're going to literally just grab a couple, like maybe, I don't know, not like a 1/4 inch above, and we're going to press down. And we're just going to manually feed filament down. As we're doing that, that should have unclogged it, and you'll see it coming right through. Now, if you're having trouble just pushing it down, actually what you should do is be pressing the extrude button. And that's literally, sorry, let me get that out of their way. Every time you hit this extrude button, it should be extruded. But if it's not extruding, you're going to be up here literally with the pliers, just pinching right onto the tip and forcing it down, which actually should be hitting the extrude button while you're doing that. But manually, yeah, so be pressing the extrude button, press the extrude button, come up here, grab it, and force it down through there. And then once your clog is out, you can go ahead and put your PTFE tube back on, and you're all set. And you might actually want to go ahead and hit extrude a couple times, make sure your clog is nice and purged out. Now, if that didn't fix your clog, or let's say you're pushing down and your filament is like breaking ours, something's messed up, you're gonna have to go look up one of the videos that shows you how to like completely take it apart, because that means that your filament has flared inside the extruder. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and good luck. Hopefully this fixes your clog. Oh, hey, sorry, I forgot to mention also, when you're done, you got your clog done, go ahead and make sure you come back here, hit that temperature button, press 0 for 0 temperature, hit OK, and essentially that will turn off your hot end, and your temperature will drop back down to room temperature. You don't want to just be like, oh, I fixed my clog, and then just let your machine sit there, you know, with a hot end running all day long, and then, you know what I mean? Like, you just want to turn it off when you're done. Or the other option is just go ahead and turn the machine off. Anyways, thanks, subscribe, and good luck.